This video is a short time of railfan. Right now, we're in Covington, Georgia, the city where my old church used to be, which is Cannon Baptist Church. Right down there, the CSX engines are flashing lights, and down there it's just overall just sitting there, or it might be shunting the yard, or it probably might be waiting for clearance. I have no idea what's happening. But yep, we're in Covington. We were gonna railfan once we got here. We saw the gates go down, and then there was 0 trains, which is absolutely a troll.
We getting out?
Yes. It was too late to put my phone on the kickstander, so yeah. Hello? Is it an error? Are you testing or what? I mean, the gates are down, but there's 0 trains. That doesn't make sense. Oh, we got trolled. And we're still getting the, wait, is it connected?
Yeah, but I'm not picking up anything. That's CSX channel.
You sure?
Yeah.
Weird. This is why we shouldn't have got the... So this is BCD1... Oh, it's moving. This says BCD160DN.
Let's come up here so we're not super close.
Okay. Oh, it's going away from us.
Oh, is it going backwards?
Yeah, it probably might be shunting the yard.
That's weird. It's just one. Is it just the engine?
It probably might be 2 engines. Oh, I see the shadows moving.
Yeah, he's going that way.
I don't know what's happening. I don't know if this is a bye or hello, because there's a switch down there. I don't know if he's shunting the yard. Well, all it's left is just hopper cars. CSX is completely gone. And all that's just left is me and my mom. Anyways, we will see you on the next railfan video. It was obviously a short time here, so goodbye then.